Hey guys, me and Alex are back, and this week we are trying Indian candy.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this because we've done a lot of American lately.
Yeah, we've done some other countries, but Indian. Isn't this exciting?
Yeah, well, I've never been to India and I don't 100% know what to expect.
No, neither.
What are sweets from India going to be like?
Before we get opening the box, I want to say thank you so much to the guys at trytreats.com for sending us this box. It's a really cool subscription box because it's not just one country. You can explore the world through food, it says right there on the box.
So you get a different country
every month. Yeah. So we chose to go for the Indian one. Really loving the packaging.
Yeah.
Nice minty blue. Shall we get in? Da-da. Okay, so we've got a few little notes before we get going. That is...
the Taj Mahal. It says, Namaste from India. This month's treat comes to you from India, an enormous country of 1.28 billion people located in South Asia.
Wowzers.
That is a serious amount of people. Amongst the many things India is famous for, India stands out as a country rich in culture and history. India is also known for its love of food, which coupled with its distinct culture creates flavors you will not experience elsewhere. Sit back, relax, imagine you're at the Taj Mahal and take a journey to India through these treats.
What I'm already loving about this is the fact that, one, you get that to give you a bit of information in there. You also have this thing which says Explore India. It's got India facts, did you know, and clue for next month's box. We also have a little card here. The back is Enter Mystery Box Giveaway, and on the front it says what's inside your treat box. So we'll be able to read that along with us.
Let's have a little look then. These look cool though, don't they?
Kata Mitha by Mo Please is a crunchy, sweet and sour snack consisted of a mixed bag of sago and rice flakes. Let us know if you're from India, or if you've lived in India, or if you've travelled there.
Yeah.
If you tried any of this.
And if you love any of these things.
And if you love any of the stuff. Smell pretty good.
They don't have like a massive flavour to them.
No, and not
really
the
strong.
colour I was expecting. It's almost like yellowy in there.
Yeah, as I like to say, these look perfect for having with a beer.
Are they nice? I don't
They
know.
taste so good. They are really sweet.
Oh, they are sweet and salty.
Yeah. It's almost, you know, like mango chutney when you're having that with popdons. Has kind of got that flavour.
What are you going to give them?
I'm going to give these an 8, you know.
Yeah. I think I'm giving them an 8. Alex, you're literally dropping most of them on the floor. Shall we try, as we're on the whole sweet and salty, go for these 50-50?
Oh, 50-50 sweet and
These
salty
are what you
bars.
were reading out. 50-50 sweet and salty. Love the, oh, they're crackers. I love the look of these.
I love the use of colour.
Yeah.
Like the green and the orange. You don't get that kind of thing here.
No. Has anyone had these before? I haven't. Okay, so unlike some of the crackers we've had, there's no like obvious salt on the side. They're dry.
This is going to be interesting. Do you reckon these are going to be a bit like a tuck, but... They're really sweet, but actually not really salty.
To me, they're much more sweet than salty, but maybe I've not got in there yet.
They are like a tuck biscuit, but sweeter.
Really nice. What are you scoring?
I wouldn't think that'd be something I'd enjoy, but it's so good. I kind of think they are better than those though. So I think I'm going to have to go 9.
I think I'm going to have to go 9 as well.
You
Wouldn't
might
that be
think-
amazing, dipped in chocolate?
Oh, so good.
Good day butter cookies.
Good day, sir.
Once again, a really nice coloured pack, isn't it?
Yeah, and I like
They
the way
almost
it's kind of
seem
like a
crinkled,
metallic.
don't they?
They crinkle cut.
Oh,
they are.
wow. They're very crinkle cut. They almost
Not
look
only
like
on one
crisps.
side though. Oh yeah.
Oh, look, there's like butter there.
Like they've literally been soaking in butter.
Oh my god. It's butter. This is good.
It's like a nice plain biscuit.
Yeah.
Right around.
Delicious crunchy butter cookie. Good Day Butter's light and buttery cookie will put you in the right frame of mind. It is the ultimate comfort cookie. That's true.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think I preferred the crackers more than that.
Really?
Yeah, I can't believe I'm saying it, but I think I am. So I'm going to give those a 7.
I'm going to give those an 8. So far, everything has been amazing. This is the Hide and Seek World's Best Molded Chocolate Chip Cookies. Oh, so I think they're actually cookies. They've got some good packaging, don't you think? It's slightly old school, but with real good pops of colour. They're actually like mini cookies. I was expecting it to be like a bar or something.
And they like having a little shape on top,
Yeah.
don't they? That's a really good biscuit cookie.
That's nice.
I was thinking that tastes a bit like Chips Ahoy cookies.
Maryland's.
Maryland's.
These taste like Maryland's.
Yeah, really good though. Like, That's the kind of biscuit I like. It's got a kind of almost caramelized kind of flavour to it. And the chocolate, I'm not sure about world's best, but the chocolate is good in there.
I prefer the butter cookies.
Really? I prefer these. And I think I prefer these to everything so
Really?
far. I think these are a 9 for me.
Really?
Yeah, these hide and seeks.
I'm gonna go 7. Okay, I'm really interested to see if bourbons taste like ours.
Yeah.
So, look at this packaging. Now this is old school, isn't it?
Yeah.
Britannia again. I've had high hopes because they were incredible.
Bourbon Cream by Britannia is a sandwich-style biscuit consisting of 2 crunchy dark chocolate flavoured biscuits with a smooth and rich chocolate cream filling. The tagline for this treat is a chocolate lover's favourite guilt trip.
These look really cool. A lot lighter than our bourbons. I'm intrigued.
Cheers.
I don't really like bourbons, so
What?
yeah. I'd always go for a custard cream.
They're good, but I just don't think they're as good as ours, but that's probably only because I'm so used to ours.
Yeah, true.
Considering it says dark chocolate, I think ours are chocolatey.
There's no dark chocolate there.
Have I just given those a 9? I think these have got to be a 9 as well.
Not the biggest fan. 7. Okay. Parley.
I really like the packaging on this.
Parley G. Kind of look like a mini pack of instant noodles.
Yeah. Like the way
Wanna
it's
read
kind
that
of
as
like
well?
so tightly packed. And I've never seen a biscuit like in this shape before.
No. Flat baked biscuits and the #1 best-selling biscuit in the world. The G in its name stands for glucose and genius. Because these biscuits are a source of strength for body and mind.
Oh, it looks
Oh,
like
it looks like a malted milk.
I love the fact
So it's
the
almost
G
like-
also stands for genius.
Yeah.
Like,
It's like a mini malted milk. It says Parley G in the middle. Hopefully we're saying that
are you
right.
sniffing this?
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm not really getting this one.
Very crunchy.
Very crunchy.
Almost like a cracker, it's so
Isn't
thin.
it weird that a plain biscuit is their #1 biscuit? Nice, but I think because so many times it said #1,
Yeah.
I think my expectation was up here.
Yeah.
So I'm only going to give it an 8.
It's like that time I was worried about watching Stranger Things because I thought it was overhyped.
Oh yeah.
So I reckon that's
Very
like a 7.
No, I gave it an 8, but I probably would have given that a 7. We have some individual things here. I think that's quite cool that they just pack us some individual
Yeah.
things. Otherwise, we probably would have only got one if it was a big one.
This first one I've picked up is a pan passion.
It is a hard candy with a very unique flavour. Oh, it's pink. Of
Yeah.
pan, a uniquely Indian flavour with a sweet and spicy taste. Popularity enjoyed as an after-dinner treat because of its fresh and sweet flavour. Interesting. It's almost floral.
And I don't want anyone who likes these to be offended. But it almost tastes like when you go to a men's toilets, there are these things in the urinals to keep it cleanly called urinal cakes.
Kegs.
Cakes.
Cakes.
Cakes. They kind of taste like what I imagine that would taste like.
It's getting stronger in the middle.
I feel like it's potpourri.
Yeah, it literally tastes like potpourri. But it's weird. Some ways I like it, some ways I don't. Sometimes it's a bit too much. But now I've taken it out of my mouth feels so refreshed.
I'm going to give that a 4.
I'm going to give that a 5 because there was parts of me that liked it and parts of me didn't. So I'll go 50-50.
What do you say to Mango Mood?
By Ravalagon are mango flavoured candies made from real mango pulp. India is the world's largest producers of mangoes, and mango in India's national fruit. This is part of the reason why Mango Mood is a hit in India. You can taste that's real mango pulp.
Yeah. You know I say I don't like sweets, which I think now I have said every video. But
Yeah.
I would actually eat one of these.
Because sometimes when you eat hard candies, you kind of feel like, oh, my poor teeth.
Yeah.
Like you can really taste the sugars.
I'm
That's
actually
really
going to
nice.
give that an 8,
Yeah.
which is high for me when it comes to sweets.
I think I'm going to give that a 9. That was really good. Full of natural flavour, delicious. Now, these are eclairs, and it actually says by Cadbury's.
Yeah, that's weird though, because it says Chico on it. Unless Cadbury's own Chico, or we've got the wrong thing on here. Because that definitely says Chico.
Oh wow, they're so soft.
Oh, really soft.
I love that. If our
That's more like a
Cadbury's
toffee or a fudge than a caramel, isn't it?
fudge, don't you think? I wish our eclairs were like that. Our chocolate eclairs are really hard. You have to either eat them when they're hard and kind of have a good chew, or I usually put them under my armpit or under my knee to warm up toffee a bit.
It's like
and
Christmas
then
when you're
soft.
sat there in the corner, you've got a couple of eclairs under your arms and
waiting
a
for
couple
me.
at the back of your knees. And
That is delicious, and that is a 10 from me.
I'm really close to a 10. I'm going to go 9. I do think the hide and seek biscuits are slightly better.
Really?
Yeah. So if anything, I think the hide and seeks would be like a 9.5.
Oh no. That was so good.
So good, yeah. I thought the flavours were going to be really out there.
But actually, they were really delicious, and I've got a few things in there that I would, if I went, I would jump and go get.
I thought it was going to be more like the Mexican candy, where there'd be a lot more spice.
That box was awesome. If you'd like to get one for yourself, just head over to the website trytreats.com. But we will leave all the links down below so you can go straight to the website.
And do you know what else is awesome? They've given us a coupon code.
Yes.
In the kitchen with Kate, no spaces. And we'll leave that in the description box below. But that's going to give you some money off if you do decide to order one.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you will enjoy it. As we said at the beginning, it's going to be a different country every month.
And if you do get one,
yes,
you should drop us a message on Instagram
send
us a photo.
Send them a picture. That'd be really cool. Let us know if you buy one. Did you enjoy that?
I enjoyed that, did you?
I definitely enjoyed that. We hope you enjoyed it too, and we'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
See ya.